As time went by, Earth blossomed into a beautiful, natural vastness of green. Our human curiosity led us to discover its hidden We destroyed Earth. But it is also us who can restore it.
What could possibly go wrong? Man, if the whole thing just engulfed the entire building, I guess, but we made sure that it didn't get anywhere near that. Every day we would show up at the studio and just get some glue, put in the matchsticks into where the holes are on the board. That action would be repeated throughout the day. It was really laborious. It took about 2 weeks.
Just like 2 weeks on the...
Oh good, I think we're gonna finish on the 6th day and rest on the 7th day.
Awesome.
My God.
Just kidding.
Oops. Just kidding, guys, we're working throughout the weekend.
We try to create even various of like the height of the stakes.
The longer matchsticks are on the entire coast of South America to highlight the mountain ranges here, and then the other matchsticks, the shorter ones, are here. The artwork is a world map made entirely of green-tipped matchsticks. So I guess the analogy is that the Earth was made over millions of years, but we could really just destroy it just like that in a really short amount of time. Okay, let's go. The piece is 3 by 2 meters, and the challenge behind it is that we knew that this would blow up. It's made of matchsticks, so we made sure that safety measures in place. We tilted it to 45 degrees so it wouldn't go up too high. We sprayed fire retardant paint onto it.
There's only one way to find out.
I think I'm a lot more confident that this would work, but as with fire, there will always be surprises. There were firefighters on standby, and we had drills, plan A's and plan B's, so everything was taken into consideration.
What is going on?
We are preparing to burn the world.
Excited!
We're having a breakfast now.
Wow, besarnya.
We are ready to photograph the art piece and clean, flat lay shot for it. And the scaffolding is just used to block the sunlight coming in. Because right now we've got too much sun that's casting a lot of shadows, and we just want to get a very clean direction of sunlight coming in.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It felt like the world was suddenly really small and kind of in our hands. And when we burnt it down, the flames just grew, and it was scary. I was covering my mouth the entire time, hoping that it wouldn't burn other things down. And it just happened really quick. It was interesting to see how some far-off places were not destroyed. So that could be a metaphor as well. Places that humans have not gone into have suffered less impact. The world has gone through a pandemic, and we've all worked together to face that crisis, that emergency. And we should be applying the same energy or the same spirit in tackling climate change, because that could be even more, and it is a global crisis that we should all be tackling together.